Hello everyone, it's Cake Electric here. Today I'm going to show you how I make my very own number station.
Call 5554332. Eight, 3, 8, 2, 6, 4, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 3. Call 555432665.
So I'm going to be using this device right here, and it's meant for cars, but I also have this. This is an adapter. I can turn a USB 5-volt USB into a 12 volt whatever this is called. Let's connect these. So here's our set. Let's connect it to the our power source, which is our power outlet, and as you can see, it works. And this right here will be our radio listening device. Radio for short. FM radio. This is an old phone. I've been planning to make a video about this, so stay tuned for it. And as you might know, these old phones require that you connect headphones or something. This will also work. So let's connect this speaker because it will work as an antenna. So let's connect it. Yes, now it's connected. Let's turn it on. Yeah. So as we can see, the frequency here is 89.3 megahertz. And let's enter it here. So 89.3. Let's listen. Oh yeah, the computer isn't. Wait a minute. And as we can see or hear, our jingle can be heard from our number station. And let's transmit a message.
Call.
Yes.
555432665.
Yes. It's working. And if we go,
as you can see, this radio works.
Yeah, no, I don't want to get copyright claimed. Yeah. I don't want to get copyright claimed, but as you can see, the radio works as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you would like to see more of these kinds of videos, then subscribe to my channel. Or consider subscribing. I'm not forcing you to do it, but I would consider. Thank you for watching. Have a great week. Bye bye.